Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe to have a flawless face. So if you are dealing with pigmentations, if you're dealing with black spots on your face, if you're dealing with acne, this will help you to get rid of them. So I'm going to be using 2 to 3 recipes today. The first one on the list is carrot essential oils. Carrot essential oil is very good, very good on the skin. It lightens the skin. It's also an anti-aging. It has an anti-aging properties. It fights wrinkles. It also tends to treat sunburn. The second recipe I'm going to use too is rose hip oil. Now rose hip oil acts as a moisturizer to your face, so especially this dry season that we are entering. If you're in Abuja, definitely our dry season have not started till like December, January. So but for other states, I guess you have already started experiencing Hamatan. So if you need something to moisturize your face, to keep your face glossy, to keep you from dryness, you have to go for rose hip essential oils. Rosehip essential oil, so it also improves skin texture, also reduces dark spots, it also brightens the skin. All right, the third one we're going to use is green tea essential oil. Now green tea essential oil, this is my babe. This is what helps me. These are the recipe that actually helps me to get rid of my black spot. I'll be sharing a video, I'll be sharing a picture on my screen. You see I had dark spots down below my cheeks, so this is one of the recipe I used to get rid of them, and actually took up to like 3 to 4 weeks before I started noticing that they are already gone out of my face. That's fade off. Now green tea heals blemishes. It contains collagen that tends to keep the skin firm, so it also helps to keep your skin firm from wrinkles. So it contains a high level of collagen. Then the almighty one we're going to use is rose water. Rose water. Now rose water keeps your skin pH in place. So if your skin pH is actually high, things may not tend to work for you. Things may not tend to work very well on your skin. So I always add rose water to all my products. My cream, my soap, there is rose water in them. So if you're getting any of our products, know that you're going to be loving it on your skin, because this is also inside, so it helps to keep your skin pH in place, and it reduces redness on your skin. So me too, I tend to have red skin, especially when you are a light skinned person. You tend to have redness on your skin. You might not even know what's causing it, or you hit your skin somewhere and your body is red. So what you can always apply when you have a red marks on your skin, or your skin is reddish through sun or anything, just sprinkle rose water on it. It tends to heal it. It also controls excess oils on your face. Most people always complain, essential oils are oily, essential oils are oily. This is going to help to control the excess oils on your face. So it also helps to clean impurities that causes acne, pimples. So it also used to lighten pigmentation. It's also used to lighten pigmentation. I'm talking about rose water. So now from these 3 things I've mentioned, this is how you're going to do it. All right, you get a spray bottle. This is my own, it's already mixed, but I'm going to tell you how you can see. If you look very well, you can see the oil is sitting on top, but anytime you want to use it, you shake it very well before you spray it on your face. So you have to get a spray container. This is about 100 ml. This is 100 ml container. So you pour your rose water inside a 100 ml container, a sprayable 100 ml container. Then you add one cup, use the cup to measure it, 1 cup of the essential oils inside the rose water. So you can tend to do morning and night one, but this one I use it only at night because of the green tea that is inside. So if you're going to be using green tea, and you have to use it only at night. But if you want to do the one you use in the morning before you go out, you can choose to use other essential oils like jojoba, carrot oil, rose oil, rosehip oil. But if you're going to add green tea inside, you have to use it only at night before you go to bed, or before you apply your face cream. You have to use it. Alright, so it's that simple. Only what you do is you shake and you spray like this. I love spraying a lot because I love the smell of the rose water. It keeps me going, if you know. So you massage it in and allow it to dry up. You can see my face just brightened up immediately I sprayed it. So you're going to be using this for like 3 to 4 weeks. All right, you can be using it for 3 to 4 weeks for you to get you can be using it for 3 to 4 weeks before you can get a very great result. But from the first day, you're going to love your skin. And another thing is, if you're suffering from pimples, so you have big pimples on your face, what you do, you get a mask. The mask will help to remove the impurities. Then get a rose water, green tea and tea tree oil. So you mix it together and spray on your face every night before you go to bed. So that will help to dry up the pimples, to give you a very clear and face cream to help and give you a very clear face. All right, so like since I started using it, even during my period times, I hardly break out. So even if I break out, it doesn't come out and doesn't leave black spots on my face. You understand, right? So leave your comments below. If you love this video, kindly give a thumbs up and don't forget to share. Thank you.